Papa, Senator Ahmed Tinubu. God said, retire and go and take care of your health. Now, retire from active politics. If you don't listen to your maker, you will not tell the story. God loves you so much. You are a leader that will advise nations to stand. Retire and take care of your health.
Boom, pray for our President Tinubu. So this prophecy was given in 2020, yes. So I'm revisiting the prophecy concerning Tinubu. We love him. Yes, Tinubu. A lot of people are going through pain, but I can tell you from my own look, Tinubu is not the problem. Yes, bag of rice has increased. This has increased. This has happened. This has happened. But I can categorically tell you that is not the problem. It is globally. Whatever is happening here is also happening in America. So let's keep praying for him for his health. Recently, he traveled to London to have a rest. That is in France. Let's keep praying. Keep subscribing to this channel. Prophecies for 2025. Do you know that you can know tomorrow from today? There's an idea. If you can keep watching my channel, there's an idea you will get from my channel. You use it to start a business. You can use it to start a business for yourself. A prophecy can give you a business idea. God bless you.